Hi everyone, I'm Attorney Poonam Minhas. I practice U.S. immigration law all over the United States. Today, I have some exciting news. This was just announced that USCIS will start accepting applications as of August 19, 2024 for the Parole in Place program that President Biden announced on June 18, 2024. Now, before I jump into this any further, if you haven't checked out my last update video about President Biden's policies, make sure to go in the description section to click on the link and check out that video. It talks about the general eligibility. All right, well, another thing I want to mention is, if this is your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to stay updated on anything I post on U.S. immigration law. And hit that like button if you like the content of this video, and share this with your friends and family because you never know who this might help. Now, a month after I posted my last YouTube video about President Biden's policy updates, and one of them happened to be the Parole in Place program for spouses of U.S. citizens who have been in this country for over 10 years as of June 17, 2024, and have not been paroled into the United States. Before I get into this any further, I do want to mention that there are no applications currently being accepted. They did mention that they will start accepting applications as of August 19, 2024. But I would advise you to check with an experienced immigration attorney to see if you qualify. That's really important. And you might even run into some situations where you're trying to consult and some of the attorneys might tell you, hey, look, we don't have much information, so it would be best to contact us after this date or sometime end of the summer, because it's true. We don't have much guidance, and we're actually waiting for the Federal Register notice to see what exactly the eligibility and the processing looks like. And hopefully we also don't face any legal challenges. So as long as everything is going to run according to plan and there are no legal challenges trying to attack this program, then we should be in good shape to, sit down with you, go over your case to see if you're eligible for this program and what all is needed for it. One of the biggest questions that you may have is, what can I do right now? What can I gather in order to get myself ready if I qualify for the Parole in Place program? Great question. And the USCIS website actually has a section about this, which I have shared in the description section. Please go click that link to review it. But typically right now, what you can start gathering would be a valid marriage certificate to show that you've been married to a U.S. citizen as of June 17, 2024. Things also like identity documents for you, evidence to show that you've been continuously residing in the United States and you've been present in the United States for 10 years or more. So that's some of the important things that you can start gathering now and have it ready right before you start consulting with an experienced immigration attorney to see if you qualify for the program, or if you already know you qualify, what type of documents you should just have ready to show the attorney when it's ready to file. Okay, so I have some friendly reminders, even though we have good news that we can start filing applications if you're eligible for the Parole in Place program as of August 19, 2024, but some friendly reminders. And of course, please stay tuned. I will be posting more updates as they come along from the White House, from USCIS, or, any place I can potentially get you the information, I will. A couple of things just you should consider is that nothing can be filed as of right now. So you must wait until it's okay and we have the green light when these applications will be going to USCIS and when it's the right time to file. That's number one. Number two, we need to wait until we have the Federal Register notice so we could see what the process looks like and what the exact eligibilities are. Because, hey, everyone's case with immigration is different. Every case is unique. I've heard this many, many times where, oh, but my friend's case is like this and like that. But remember, your case may be different from your friends. Some people magically might have similar circumstances, but again, every case is unique, every case is different. So that's why it's very important to check out the eligibility and the processing to see if it matches and it's good for you to file. Okay, what else can I tell you? Gather your documents. As mentioned earlier, I said you can start gathering your documents if you feel that you may be eligible for this program, or if you want to consult with an attorney, then have those documents ready for review. Another thing, I do want to encourage you to work with the licensed and experienced immigration attorney. I cannot emphasize and encourage this any more than I have in the past. Please work with someone who is, familiar with immigration and is licensed to give you legal advice. That's very, very important because, a lot of people don't understand that typically if you file something with immigration, what your risks may be. And, as you may already know, a couple of things I also mentioned is that this program might face some legal challenges. And if that happens, then you need to know what your options are. So it's best to work with an experienced immigration attorney. And the biggest news of all, as you may already know, is elections are around the corner. And you clearly see what's been going on in the political area. I don't want to get into too much detail with that, but if there is a change in administration, then things might be a little more different. So there's a lot of things that you should, consider when reaching out to consult and really seeing what your options are. But, as we get closer to August 19, we are hoping that we have a lot more information. So as an immigration attorney, I have more information to share with you. Hope this information was helpful. Please do check back for any additional updates on the Parole in Place program and many more immigration matters. If you have not subscribed yet, this is your chance to do it. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on anything I post about U.S. immigration law. Trust me, it's going to be super helpful. Hit that like button and share this with your friends and family.